gonna announce the BINIBINI Niyogyugan Health and Wellness 2023. So the person of calling is Miss Health and Wellness. And this person to be awarded by Honorable Attorney Mike Tan, Congressman of 4th District, Honorable JJ Akivido, to be awarded with a crown sash, trophy, bouquet, and 50,000 pesos.
Quezon has been one of the large producing provinces of coconuts across the regions. Yet our farmers, the one who provide food on our tables, are themselves perennially hungry and are being overlooked by our society. They have been struggling for more than a century now, but still continue to devote back-breaking labor for survival. Hearing the stories of the farmers, I feel their pain. And it is my duty to hear their plea and bring it into a bigger platform. And as we celebrate Niyogyugan Festival, it is high time to not just commemorate our Quezonian farmers, but acknowledge that they are being heard by demanding our government to pay them rightfully for their wealth of harvest. The backbone of our society has long been gone, but their seed of hope remains planted. And it is now up to us to water and fertilize it with commitment and dedication in order to harvest our abundant winds for tomorrow and the generations to come. Thank you.
Your BINIBINI Niyogyugan Health and Wellness 2023 is BINIBINI! BINIBINI Sampalok!
Every time I close my eyes, I remember all these handsome faces. The charming confidence, the powerful stance they bring from miles away. What can I say? The ocean breeze, dancing palm trees in my way, truly captivate our hearts.
Quezon, let me introduce to you the newest queen. Our BINIBINI Niyogyugan 2023 is BINIBINI 21 Juliana Luis Martinez from Pagbilao!
Binibini at Ginoong Niyogyugan aims to promote tourism through social media. Aside from this medium, how will you promote and encourage your generation to visit Quezon and experience its culture and natural beauty?
I believe that I would let them experience the Quezon province. For it is through experience that we will be able to see the beauty of our province, from having pristine beaches, beautiful mountain regions, and enchanting falls. To learn the rich cultural heritage of our province, and to share our experiences with other people. By unifying what we saw, what we learned, and what we shared, it is only by then that we will be able to grow and cultivate love. Thank you.
Thank you so much! How was it? Thank you so much, Binibini! Pagbilao!
Okay pa po ba kayo, ma'am? Ma'am, okay pa po? Okay, okay pa daw si ma'am. Mayor
Yes.
ng Pagbilao ay nandito po. Good evening po, madam. Napaka-supportive.
You know what? Aside from the reaction of their supporters, nakatingin din ako sa reaction ng mga VIPs natin
Oo nga.
sa harap.
Kanya-kanyang manok sila eh.
Nakakalimutan nilang naka-formal wear sila kapag napapatayo sila sa performance ng kanilang mga pambato.
She will receive a crown, sash, trophy bouquet of 100,000 pesos, and she will be awarded by Honorable Angelina Dr. Helen Tan, Honorable 3rd Alcala Vice Governor, and Miss Natalia Margaret Lindsay, our BINIBINI Niyogyugan 2019.
The ocean breeze, dancing palm trees in my way, truly captivate our hearts. Now the time has come, witness the beauty unfolds, united, divided, the stars.
Once again,
At 19, I have personal experience cultivating land in Real, where I witnessed the importance of agriculture. Thus, it is my advocacy. Moreover, as a tourism student, I find a strong bond between agriculture and tourism. And being on the stage tonight, I'd like to encourage everyone to take this opportunity to make people understand the underlying challenges of agricultural productivity. In my own way as a model, I have started my initiative, #Realidad ng Real campaign, to encourage the youth to use social media to promote inclusive growth and development for all. That's all, thank you.
Quezon Province, your Ginoong Nyugnyugan Health and Wellness is Ginoo number 18, San Antonio Jonas Harina.
Every time I close my eyes, I remember all these handsome faces. The charming confidence, the powerful sense they bring from miles away. What can I say? The ocean breeze dancing.
Recent studies indicate that the use of social media affects someone's mental health. How would you advocate responsible social media use?
Para po sa akin, masama po ang sobrang paggamit ng social media. Kaya nakakaranas po tayo ng mental health issue kapag tayo nakakabasa ng mga masama. At nais ko po mag-iwan na mensahe sa mga nakakaranas ng mental health issue na huwag mawalan ng pag-asa at magkaroon ng positibong pananaw sa buhay. At kung ako man po ang papalarin bilang inyong kauna-unahang ginunyugyugan, ay aking po sisikapin at aking po tatrabahuin na maiwasan po ang mga ganitong issue at makipagtulungan sa ating pamahalaang panlaliwigan na gumawa ng programa na makakalutas sa isyung ito. Because I believe my existence will be worthy if I have done something for my community. Bilang po at maraming salamat.
Thank you, Ginoong Real.
Thank you so much, Ginoong Real, Ginoo number 22.
So, our Ginoong Nyugnyugan, the very first Ginoong Nyugnyugan 2023 is Christian Angelo Ariola from Real number 22. He will receive a crown, sash, trophy, lei, and cash worth 100,000 pesos to be awarded by Honorable Governor Angelina Dr. Helen Tan, Honorable Third Alcala, our Vice Governor, Miss Natalia Margaret Lindsay, our Binibini Nyugnyugan 2019.
What can I say? The ocean breeze dancing, palm trees in my way, truly captivate our hearts.
Now the time has come. Witness the beauty unfolds. United, we're riding the stars.
For your dreams, don't you ever fake it.
Once again, the very first Ginoong Nyugnyugan, Ginoo 22 from Real.
Every time I close my eyes, I remember all these handsome faces. The charming confidence, the powerful sense they bring from miles away. What can I say? The ocean breeze dancing, palm trees in my way, truly
Once
captivate
again,
our hearts.
our Ginoong Nyugnyugan 2023 is Ginoo number 22, Christian Angelo Ariola from Real.
And we would like to invite our Ginoong Nyugnyugan 2023 to please come forward.
Every time I close my eyes, I remember all these handsome faces.
Once again, congratulations to all of our winners Thank you so much to all of our audience for staying in. Thank you to all of our organizers, to all of our sponsors, and congratulations for making this event possible. This is Jay Torres.
This is Maria Tizo Lanalo.
And I'm Shane Quintana Torres. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. And
Happy New Year!